Dude. Look at Grandma. Look. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, y'all run back there. Bye, I light it.
Go!
They don't last long. Y'all want me to light another one?
Yeah.
I'm not going off of them.
Can we light two?
Light two?
Uh-huh.
I don't know about that. Y'all want Grandma to light the orange one?
And two.
You guys make sure they hook together.
Two.
Okay, y'all ready? Move, dude.
Wow, look at the smoke phone.
Y'all want me to light another one?
Light two.
I ain't lighting two. They gotta be stuck together some kind of way. Well, I can light them at the same time. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna see, can I face this one this way?
But I'm facing this way.
Yeah, I'll go back that way.
I want to come back here.
Okay, y'all ready?
Stay behind Grandma, dude. Nope. No, dude. Come here.
Oh, y'all gotta get where y'all can see. Hurry up. Can you see?
You can see like this.
Ooh, ow, ow.
Grandma, how did it hurt you?
You gotta be careful of them.
So, can we do more?